Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple and Universal Music Group have teamed up to launch Sound Therapy, a new collection of wellness-focused playlists designed to help users focus, relax, and sleep more effectively. Available exclusively on Apple Music, the playlists feature reimagined versions of popular songs infused with sound waves and white noise to enhance mental well-being. Sound Therapy is divided into three categories: focus, relax, and sleep. It includes extended instrumental and specially modified tracks from well-known artists like Imagine Dragons, Katy Perry, and Casey Musgraves. The project was developed by Solos, a music wellness initiative within Universal Music Group, in collaboration with producers, audio engineers, and scientists. According to Apple, the tracks incorporate auditory bits and color noise designed to trigger specific brain responses. For example, gamma waves and white noise may boost concentration. Theta waves are intended to promote relaxation, and delta waves and pink noise, which mimic calming sounds like rainfall or wind, may support better sleep. As an example, a dreamy version of Katy Perry's Double Rainbow is included to help listeners unwind at night, while an Imagine Dragons track is tailored to aid productivity. Backed by scientific research and Universal's proprietary audio technology, Apple describes sound therapy as a blend of psychoacoustics, sound wave science, and cognitive research aimed at improving everyday wellness through music. And that's all about Apple's upcoming sound therapy feature. Now, make sure to share your thoughts about it, and I'll catch you up in the next one.